Okay, this is our December Take and Make for kids. You're going to get a packet like this, and inside you will have your instructions sheet, which shows you what you're going to make. You'll have your antlers, your ears, the hair, nose, mouth, 2 eyes. Then you should have 6 of these craft sticks and 2 short ones, and then a string for your hanger. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to put these 6 larger sticks together like that. And then you're going to take your glue. I'm going to take a short stick and we're going to put a dab on this end. Okay. Okay. And you're going to stick it up top here. And then you're going to put glue on this end and on that end. Okay. And you're going to stick that down here. And now you need to give it just a little bit of time to dry, and then we will do our next step. Okay, so for our second step, we're going to flip this over like that, and we're going to start the gluing process. So you're just going to put a little glue on each piece. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to glue the nose. And the nose goes sideways like this, just so we have room for everything else. Okay. We'll give it a couple eyes. And now we're going to glue the ears on. There's a line on them. You'll want the line part up like that. Okay. And like that. And now we need to put his hair on. Put his hair on the top there. Okay. We're going to let that dry, and then I'll show you how we're going to finish our project. Okay, for our last step, we're going to flip it over. Okay. And we're going to take the antlers. We're going to put a little glue here. We're going to put it right there. And we're going to do that same thing with the other one. Okay. And now we need to glue our hanger on. So you're going to put a good amount of glue here and here. Okay. You're going to put each end down in the glue, just like that. And now you're going to let it dry. Okay, and when you're all finished, your product should look like that. All right, thanks for watching and good luck with your craft.